In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change favicon in Framer. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in your browser tab next to the page title. It might look small, but it's a big part of your site's branding and helps users quickly recognize your page among many open tabs. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to update it in Framer, step by step. First, open your Framer project in the editor. Once your project has loaded, look to the top left corner of the screen. You should see a small drop-down button that shows the Framer icon next to your project name. Click on that drop-down. When the menu opens, hover your mouse over the option called Site Settings. This will expand another menu. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to the main site settings panel for your project. Inside the site settings, scroll down the page until you see a section labeled Image. Under this image section, you'll find the option for Favicon. This is where you can upload and manage the little tab icon for your site. Framer lets you set different favicons for light and dark themes, which is useful if your design changes based on the user's system theme. You'll see separate upload areas for the light theme and the dark theme. Decide which one you want to update first. Under the theme you're working on, click the Upload button. As soon as you click it, your computer's file browser will open. From here, navigate to the folder where you've saved your favicon file. Typically, favicons work best as square images, and a common format is PNG or SVG. Once you've found the file you want to use, click on it to select it, then press Enter on your keyboard or click the Open button in your file browser. Framer will start uploading the image to your project. This might take a moment, especially if your file is large, so just wait for the upload to finish. After the upload is complete, you'll see a small preview appear right inside the favicon section. This preview shows you how the icon will look in the browser tab. If you're using both light and dark themes, repeat the same upload process for the other theme as well. When you're happy with how the previews look, your new favicon is set and you're done.